Hi, I'm Josh Bennett, and this is Learn to Knit, Lesson 3, the Purl Stitch. Now, when we begin a purl stitch, it is the opposite of how we began the knit stitch. Here, we hold the yarn in the front, and our needle is behind that yarn. That makes it easy for us to then insert the right-hand needle from the back to the front of that first stitch. So you go from right to left into that stitch. It is very important that our needle is on top of the left-hand needle or in front of, and the yarn is in the front and not coming from the back. Now we're going to take that yarn and wrap counterclockwise around that front needle and bring the needle down, underneath, and through the back. You can use your thumb as a guide. And transfer that stitch over to the right-hand needle. And now you're just going to repeat. You're going to insert from back to front, crossing in front of that left-hand needle, wrap the yarn counterclockwise around that front needle, and using your thumb, you can guide that needle straight down, underneath, and through the back, transferring the left stitch to the right-hand needle. You will continue this across the entire row, and you have successfully purled an entire row. The next step will be combination knitting, using knits and purls in the same row and pattern.